Hi there, my friend. I'm Joel Hill, and I would like to talk with you about postcard marketing and why postcard marketing works so well today and how I use it to generate an income and how I can show you how you can do the same. Postcards actually produce better results today than they did years ago or before the internet, and there are several reasons why. Postcards use a communication that delivers information the way people want it. Nothing to open. The message is brief because there are only one or two sides to read, and it's easy to understand. Postcards have a high attention rate because they are hard to ignore. Myself, while throwing away junk mail and the trash, I have placed an eye-catching, colorful postcard to one side to read it later. An eye-catching, colorful postcard with bold statements will be read by almost 100% of everyone that sees it, and by anyone else that sees it. Have you ever thrown a postcard away without reading it first? Using postcards to market saves you money because they are small. Therefore, it doesn't cost much for printing. You can actually print them yourself to save even more cost. Most postcards you see are 4 by 6 inches, meaning that they are cheaper to mail. You can mail a postcard for 44 cents each. It just doesn't get any cheaper than that to market. Postcard marketing is time-saving because they are small with a high-impact message that doesn't take long to develop. Printing and mailing is fast, so your results are much faster. It just doesn't get any easier than using postcards for marketing or generating an income. You don't need any special skills to place a stamp on a postcard and just drop it in the mailbox. No special skills to create a postcard that will get a response by just glancing at it. With postcard marketing, you have just a few words that piques people's interest and then sends them to a toll-free number or a website. No need to try and sell them with a postcard. You can use postcards for just about anything because they are so versatile. Selling a product or service, generating traffic to a website, collecting leads, or even upselling previous customers. Postcards should be designed in a personal, friendly manner so they don't look too much like advertising, but something that will improve someone's life, that will get a better reception and improve the results that you get. Friend, if you aren't using postcard marketing, then you are missing out on the most used and easiest ways to market and generate a very good income. I'm involved in a postcard marketing business that's easy to get started, doesn't cost much, and it's easy to understand, and I can show you just how to do it and work with you one-on-one to help you get started. Friend, if you would like some more information on postcard marketing, then go to the description of this video below. All my information is there. My name, my phone number, email, and website where you can visit to get all the information you will need. Call me, I will answer, and I'll answer any question you have. Text or email me, I will respond. So go ahead and check out the information in the description below. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.